So we're going to learn how to solve for x and to put it on a number line here, this question here. It's a lot like just as if that was an equal sign when you go to solve it. And you look at this 4 and this 8 and this 8, and there's a thing called the LCM. It's the least common multiple. The smallest number that 4 and 8 both go into, well, it's 8. And that's what you do. You multiply everything by 8. Well, watch what happens here. 8 times 3x minus 1 over 4. Well, you end up with having 8. When you multiply this by 8, you get 8 divided by 4, and it gives you a 2. And it can just sit in front of this 3x minus 1. And 8 times 3x minus 8 over 8, the 8's just cancel, and you just get 3x minus 3. And 19 over 8 times 8, if you multiply by 8 and divide it by 8, it just equals 1. It cancels, and you end up with 19. Well, there you go. Now you multiply this out. That's 6x minus 2 plus 3x minus 3. Well, the 6x and the 3x make 9x. Well, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. And you add 5 to both sides, you get 24. Well, 24, now it's just like an equation. You divide by, do the opposite operation of multiplying by 9. Because it's 9 multiplied by x. You divide both sides by 9. And 24 over 9 reduces to 8 over 3. Now you got a problem. You got to put this on a number line. Well, that's pretty easy. You have to show that x is greater than or equal to 8 over 3. Well, all you need to do is put 8 over 3, which is like 2 2/3, but you label it. But here you have to be a little careful. Because it says it's equal, you fill this in solid. And then a line going like this over top with an arrow on the end, it's all the x values, all the real numbers greater than or equal to 8 over 3. And that's what the illustration looks like. And there you go.